I've created a safe space here, right, guys? I mean, I love some criticism. I love a little bit of judgment. So you talk your shit in the comments below. But ultimately, you know, I'm out here, barriers down, showcasing my true self. And I feel like I did that since day one. You know, I don't really want to have an internet persona. Maybe a little fake internet persona, you know, flash the bread. like I got it like that. Basically, what I'm saying is, over the years, I've been using this car as storage because it hasn't been working. So there's a lot of things in this car that might not make sense. And when I show you guys, because today's video is about cleaning out this M5, what's in my M5, don't judge me. There's way too much stuff to showcase, but we're just gonna start. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm gonna drive it soon to fulfill your guys' M5 fantasies. I don't like this car. I love this car. But also, I'm over cars. Anyways, first on the list is a bazooka. Oh man, it's a lot of. This was originally the license plate. It's called Aphrodisiac because the guy, shout out to Pata. I forgot his name for a second. I'm really bad with names. He said every time he drove this car, I gave him you know, it's like an aphrodisiac. Some camping gear. About an hour and a subway break, we have now cleaned out the M5. This is everything that was in my car. And I'm only really doing this because somebody recommended this video and I'm gonna make it. So I had to clean out this car. And over the years, I've been using this car as storage because it did not work. If you guys don't know, I blew up the drive shaft. So waiting for a tow truck now. Ever since then, I kind of just put this to the back burner and it just was pushed to the side. All this stuff got in there and we have spare slave cylinders, spare cap and rotor, brand new cap and rotor. We got our BMW tent there. We got, I know y'all don't know what's up with this, bruh. Y'all don't know nothing about this. Look at that. Let me flex. It don't smell like it'll work though. Up close and personal of the mess here. Yeah, don't judge me. You know, it's all what I'm really stoked about finding. This is pretty cool. It's hip to be square. This back seat is now going in the car. If you guys live in SoCal, right? Specifically Long Beach, this is the Birdman. And if you need to call him, basically, this is him, and he rehabilitates birds and sets them back into the wild. Also, another guy, Lost Detailers. That's their information, so if you need them, hit them up. In there. Damn, this has been a minute since I had a back seat. You know, that one's clicked in. We now have a back seat. It's been a minute since I had a back seat. We have somebody joining us. This episode of Bobbing With is called Two Guys in the Back Seat with a
My BMW broke down today.
Nice, I seen it, flat tire.
2 BMWs with 2 flat tires in 2 days.
I put Mike here for ultimate sound. Shout out to these guys, HPSI, I believe. They gave me a silicone hose kit that I haven't installed yet. It's all black. Jumper cables, parts from the 540. In reality, what happened was the 540 was getting junked, so I had to take everything from that car onto there and throw it in there. And I guess this is a good segue to showcase the last moments of the 540. The day has finally come. I just called the junk guy to come pick it up. When this is gone, it's gonna be a memory. But I got the videos to look back at it. Alright, let me just show you what we're working with. See, I wanted to do this. I wanted to take all these fuses. Each fuse is from this car, which means that I'm gonna sell a shirt with the fuse, so it's like a memorial piece, you know what I mean? Every relay, every fuse, it's gonna go with the shirt. I'm gonna do this. I always convince myself not to do things, but I need to just do it. I feel like this is gonna be a sick piece. So yeah, all these pieces. End of an era, boys.
Keep this straight.
This is my baby. Dale.
That shit only running on 9 cylinders, bro.
He didn't have to do all that. Ouch. He had to. Yeah, everybody's happy. No one likes Christian's car.
Look at this. Look what I put on here. Look. Watch this. Watch this. Used to be a beauty. Once upon a time, it was a beauty. All eyes on it. Now, shit's on drugs and hit rock bottom.
All right, we gotta clean up now. Bye, Mom.
Okay,
Thank you for bringing the title.
Okay, you guys.
All right, well, I don't want to bore you guys with all of this cleaning up, but I did want to show you what was in my M5 because I thought it would be a funny video to show you what I collect over the years. That ski package, old school license plate, I would like to put this back on because this is such a cool license plate. The sacks, this is for sure going in there. Let's just do that right now. This is like paint, bruh. And it's got the blue. My thing is, I want it to have blue interior. Bala, Shakala, money in the bank, 20-inch roller. Look at that. Buddy has a back seat now. Buddy has a back seat now, bruv. And if we come in here, boom, bang, socks. What the hell? Also, see if I can make this a reality. Yeah, I really want to make some shirts, man. I want to make some revenue from the channel so I can just put it back into the channel. Remember the whole speech I was talking about, like business mindset? Yeah. So basically, I'm trying to actually run this channel like a business, not just a pleasure-seeking endeavor. So soon I'll have like stuff that I could have support by, but at the end of the day, this is not going to be the main business. It's going to be part of a business that allows me to keep doing what I love to do. Because I do love the M5. Ultimately, what I would love to have is a turbocharged M5. And what motivates me is I know we have the capability to do all of this. It's just the resources behind it. But the power of the people is what's going to push us forward. Quick left to right. Window regulators, license plate, some camping gear, shift mechanism, 540 mirror, extra tail lights, fuel injectors, tools, 540 rug, windows, door seals. If you guys didn't know, these door seals are from E39 and they fit good, but you do have to cut them. But once you cut them, they fit way better, and then the seal is just that much solid. This is what's in the M5. No judgment, but talk your shit in the comments below. And let me know what else you guys want to see, because like I said, I came up with this idea to do this because I'm going to make that video. So sooner or later, ASMR driving with the E34 M5. No talking, just strictly sound from this car. Remember I was playing around with turbocharging the Z3? The budget for a turbocharged Z3 that I was going to say was $3,500. Now, there's a company called Cybul, and they have a swap kit for an M60 into a Z3. That's the 540's M60, along with the Get Track 420 and the drive shaft. For $2,500, I can have an M60 Z3. What do you guys think about that? Talk me out of it, please. All right, I don't want to bore you guys too much. I got to throw all this stuff somewhere, and I'm just gonna finish up that. But ultimately, I know y'all love the M5, so I wanted to document this. And the M5 loves to grow plants. All right, ciao, y'all. Peace.